Welcome to this video on Universal Flash Storage, or UFS. We will explore the architecture and evolution that make this next-generation memory the new standard in modern devices. As mobile processors became faster, legacy eMMC storage became a bottleneck. Its 8-lane parallel interface and one-way data transfer slowed down system speeds and wasted battery power, creating a metaphorical traffic jam. Universal Flash Storage, or UFS, was developed to solve these issues. It replaces older formats with a high-speed serial interface and utilizes the SCSI architectural model, complete with a smart built-in controller for automatic error correction and optimized data management. This matrix highlights the key differences between eMMC and UFS. UFS offers significant upgrades, including a serial interface, full-duplex data flow, and advanced command queuing, making it the preferred choice for flagship mobile devices and automotive systems. A core advantage of UFS is its full-duplex interface. Unlike eMMC, which handles data one way at a time, UFS reads and writes data simultaneously, effectively eliminating data waiting times. UFS also employs SCSI-tagged command queuing. By accepting multiple data requests at once and organizing them into the most efficient order, the controller drastically improves overall multitasking performance. The architecture is structured into 3 layers: the command set layer for handling SCSI commands, the transport protocol layer for managing data frames, and the interconnect layer for high-speed physical data transfer. UFS features advanced tools like a write booster, which uses an SLC buffer to handle heavy workloads, and sophisticated power management, including hibernate modes that shut down unused components to preserve battery life. The performance gains are clear. UFS bandwidth has nearly doubled with each generation, evolving from 1,200 megabytes per second in 2013 to projected speeds of 10.8 gigabytes per second with UFS 5.0. In the world of mobile and XR, UFS enables rapid app loading, smoother multitasking, high-resolution camera bursts, and improved gaming experiences by preventing thermal throttling. Automotive systems rely on UFS to process massive amounts of real-time sensor data. It is built to withstand extreme temperatures and meets strict safety standards like ISO 26262. Looking ahead, UFS 5.0 is set to power the future of edge AI. It will provide the high bandwidth and 40% better power efficiency required to process complex AI data locally and instantly. In synthesis, UFS has taken over due to its exponential scaling and bandwidth, its smarter, efficient architecture, and its versatile application across everything from smartphones to autonomous vehicles. Thank you for watching this video on UFS. We hope this has provided a clear overview of why this technology is central to the future of high-performance storage.